quick trade that I took today. We have lots of news, 3 red folders, so you definitely know I wanted to get my trading done early. I've been really enjoying the 3-minute chart, so I found a bullish breaker on the 3-minute chart, and I also identified my fair value gap. I was able to enter into that trade and mark out the fair value gap. This was actually a 15-minute gap. So let me zoom in so that you can see this gap here. That's candle 1, 2, and 3. So the gap is between the wick of the short red candle and the green one. That is your fair value gap. So I took this trade and I set my exit on where I thought price was going to go. Because we have so much news today, I wasn't sure how price was going to move, so I definitely just wanted to grab a few points. So I did set my exit right before price was going to touch that fair value gap. And as you can see, I was able to get my couple of points on this trade, and price did enter into that yellow area, which I identified as a 15-minute fair value gap. Luckily for me, I was already done with my trade, very satisfied with my couple of points. You have to remember, don't be greedy. Set your target, execute, and then close the computer. 10 before 10.